typically lead times, we can't really control those, but how do we navigate through extended lead times, logistics issues, whether it's trucking, whether it's steel, procurement? What do we do different at Allied that gets us around those lead time issues?
Well, you want to sit down with the project at the beginning and figure out what schedule is right for this project. And it could be anything from we've got to get out of a lease and get into this structure by a certain time, or this product needs to come out by a certain date. So really, you take that drop dead date and you work backwards. How long is it going to take us to fabricate the structure? How long is it going to take to do drawings? How long is it going to take to engineer it? And then what processes there can we overlap?
Right.
What can we get started early? What can we plan early on in the project that can help achieve these requested schedules?
And sometimes they don't need the whole building there all at the same time, right? And actually sometimes that's a bad idea because it's too much steel. So we'll get what part do you need first? What do you need to get into? And then a lot of times it'll come down to, well, this a piece of equipment that's coming from Germany or it's coming from Italy. It's going to be here. We don't want it sitting outside. Can we get this section of the building done first? So let's get that done. So it's not just all about lead time. It's about sequencing and getting the right part of the building there when we need it.
Exactly, and it's important that we help plan with that client early, because what happens then? Now we're modeling and we're detailing in those specific sequences, in those phases. So we're working with the client on what's most important to get out there first. We're working with the installer on their own erection sequence. And of course, we're planning our process the entire way on how to get the most critical part of the structure out there first.
Yep, and that's how the project works. Sometimes people say, I want the building out here, I need it in, say, pick a number, 12 weeks. Well, then you start backing up, well, have you done, and we work with the customers and the clients saying, have you done this? Is the pad ready? Well, and you start backing it up, and once we start working with them, oh yeah, I need more time than 12 weeks to get the pad ready, to get the concrete in, to get the driveways in, all that stuff. So sometimes it's backing up and just talking about realistically, what do you need? What we hate to do is have it deliver and sit there weeks and months on end. It's not a good thing for anybody to have steel sitting there.